Hello and welcome. Today let's discuss how to remove all likes on X. So if you want to remove everything that you have previously liked, then open X on your phone and tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then access your profile, and as you can see, your profile is divided into several sections right here. You need to scroll to likes, and this is basically your likes tab where you can see every single post that you have ever liked. And go through each post and tap the like icon below it to basically unlike this post. And then if you want to delete all your likes on X, then you have to manually go through every single post and to repeat that action. And unfortunately on X there is no official feature to delete all likes at once in bulk. So yeah, you have to manually do that. But keep in mind that deleting likes is permanent and the post will no longer show that you liked it. So yeah, that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.